When deploying Cisco Meraki networks, there are two main licensing models. These are co-term licensing and subscription licensing. Understanding the difference between these models helps organizations choose the approach that best fits how their network grows over time. In this video, we're going to take a look at both of these licensing models and give you the pros and cons of using each one. At a high level, the biggest difference between co-term licensing and subscription licensing comes down to ownership flexibility and renewal structure. First, let's take a look at co-term licensing. Co-term licensing is the traditional licensing model used with Cisco Meraki. With co-term licensing, the customer maintains full control over their licensing. Organizations can purchase new licenses, renew existing ones, or expand their network through any authorized Meraki reseller at any time. When licenses are added, the system recalculates the single co-termination date for the entire organization based on the value and duration of each license. Because of this, the expiration date can shift over time as new licenses are added. The main advantage of this model is flexibility. Customers are free to manage renewals and purchases as needed, and they are not tied to a specific purchasing structure or partner during the life cycle of the network. The trade-off is that the expiration date is dynamic. Every time licenses are added or extended, the organization's renewal date may change. Co-termination also handles licensing at the organization level. And if you go out of compliance for more than 30 days, all of your Meraki devices will go offline until you resolve the licensing issue. However, because co-term licensing has been the standard Meraki licensing model for many years, many experienced partners and value-added resellers have developed strong expertise in helping organizations optimize renewals and simplify ongoing management. Subscription licensing takes a more structured approach. With this model, customers purchase a defined subscription term, which can be assigned to a specific network or an entire Meraki dashboard organization. The expiration date is fixed for the duration of the subscription, which provides predictable budgeting and a clear renewal timeline. However, because each Meraki network can never have more than one subscription assigned to it, any changes to the subscription during the term, such as adding or changing a device or increasing capacity, must be handled through the same reseller or partner that you purchased the subscription from. This model prioritizes predictability and structured lifecycle management, but it can reduce some of the purchasing flexibility that exists with co-term licensing. Larger environments may also qualify for enterprise agreement licensing. Enterprise agreements work very similarly to subscription licensing, but offer a number of additional benefits such as fixed pricing, multi-suite discounts, and greater flexibility due to features such as true forward and value shift. Please note that there is a minimum initial purchase size to qualify for an enterprise agreement. Both of these licensing models provide access to the same Meraki features and cloud management platform. The differences lie in how licenses are organized and renewed. Co-term licensing focuses on simplicity and flexibility, while subscription licensing focuses on predictability and lifecycle structure. Choosing between the two often depends on how an organization plans to expand its network over time. Reach out to Rhino Networks today to find out which licensing model is right for you.